Welcome back, everyone. Jim here. Today, got to do a little bit of brush cleanup, not much. And we're at our house here in Litchfield. I got a couple of small branches that fell down that I got to clean up, and going to use the Kubota. The snowblower has been taken off, the tractor chains have been taken off, and now the backhoe has been installed. And probably the biggest purpose of this video is to show you the power of a thumb on your backhoe. If you're going to get a backhoe for your tractor, go the extra expense and get a thumb. It's good for picking up rocks. It's good for picking up branches. Anything you can imagine. There's the tractor with the backhoe. So I'm going to bring her back here in just a moment. And I'm going to lift a branch so I can saw it easier than trying to climb over everything and wheel the saw. I'll actually get it out here where I can maneuver with it. Okay, so the tractor's in place. Keep in mind this is just a small demo because it's only a little branch. But I've lifted logs up the same way to get them off the ground and hover them, you know, over the pile where I want to cut them up or anything like that. So, like I said, if you're going to get a backhoe, get a thumb. So that was just a small example. If you can imagine doing that with a whole tree, how easy it is to limit, because everything's off the ground, you can position it the way you want. Yeah, if you get a tractor, get a backhoe. Thanks for watching. Hey, give me a like and a subscribe. We'll be back later.